Now, let's make the mobile info bar match the announcement bar. And we do that using a color variable. So Squarespace has 5 different color themes that each can have their own color settings for all of these individual elements, but they use predictable variables to pull those colors from the color themes. So in this case, variable announcement bar background color is what you're using. So if I go in here to CSS and paste in my little code snippet, it takes the mobile info bar background and it makes it match the announcement bar color background. So now if I go over to the mobile info bar and preview it, you'll see it's got the background color. Now you want to take care to set the mobile info bar at light or dark, depending on which has the better contrast with your announcement bar color of choice. And so in this case, being that the orange is kind of rich, I want it to go light text and icon, just like the text up here is light. That's really all there is to it. The one other code option I'm going to give you in case you want to have the announcement bar a different color from the mobile info bar is the color variable for the primary button background color. So say I wanted my announcement bar to be purple, but I still wanted my mobile info bar to be orange, or vice versa. Say my buttons were purple and I wanted it to match that. Well, now you've got a purple announcement bar. Well, with the announcement bar code, it's now purple matching the bar. But if I change that to the primary button background code, now it matches the primary button. And a lot of people have the header of their site set to a particular color theme, or you can even manually set colors, right? But they'll have it set to a particular color theme. Where you'll run into issues with this code that pulls the announcement bar background color and makes it the mobile bar color, if you have it set to adaptive, which is a really cool setting, especially if you have a text site title that can dynamically change colors like this. When you have your header color set to adaptive, it pulls from the color theme of whatever the first section is. So when you go to dark page, now see how it's a dark color to sort of match the background of that first color.